Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. Today I am trying something new. I am opening up my first pack on Top Shot. Super excited for it. I've been kind of hoping for a pack and being in the queue for about a month now. So I just got this pack over the weekend and I can't wait to see what's inside. And I don't even follow the NBA. But if I was to choose a favorite team, it would for sure be the Nuggets because I love Colorado. But let's open it. You ready?
Yep, go ahead.
Just kidding. You can't click that.
There you go. So I think there's like 180,000 of these packs. So
Yeah,
unlikely that it's going to make you rich, but
yeah.
you should still see a decent.
Only 3?
So you spent what, 14 on this?
Yeah, come on. Ready?
Oh, it's made So the way I would actually do this is like close out of that blue bar at the top.
Close it out.
Scroll up. Or click done. Alright, now go to
Moments.
collection. Or yeah, moments, that works too. Either one. Alright, and I would just open them in a new tab. Middle mouse. Alright. And then you can click the 1194 available. Alright, so it's 14 bucks. You made your money back.
Woohoo!
So the rest is profit from here. Actually, go back to that real quick. Because your serial number actually matters too. What is
It says select a serial number. It's allowing me to select
You got
it.
4 or 6. Okay, none of your serial numbers are that good, so that's okay.
Aw, but
Alright,
why
go to
does
the
it
next
allow
one.
you to select one?
Because you see the lower ones sell for a way more.
Whoa, I'm all the way...
Yeah, so if it's not like a single digit or double digit, it's probably not worth anything extra. So go ahead and check the next one.
Okay.
Alright, same thing. This could be worth some. Boom.
Ooh!
Nice. And that's the lowest ask, so scroll down here. You can actually see...
Top sale.
Well, yeah, the top sale, but it's usually misleading.
1,990. That's
probably a
dog
good-
clothes money to me.
So the serial number was 194. Serial number 30 got 1,500.
Ooh.
But today, you can see the recent transactions. It's been in the range of...
Yeah, but these are serial number 3000s.
No, it's okay. The serial won't matter if it's not like in the top. So you can see it's averaging like 200 bucks. So that's pretty good. So it's 200. So you got your cost basis covered. Then you got 200, and then you got Mason. This isn't gonna sell for anything. $8.
Aw.
So not bad for a first pack pull. What'd you do?
What do you mean? What did I do?
220
It was a
divided
stressful
by
event within itself getting this pack. My
15
phone.
extra money.
Oh, I like that.
Well, plus they take 5%. So I mean,
Oh, so I only
you're probably like
10x
14x or something.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's Hauls. If you like the video, make sure to click the like button, the subscribe button, and comment
And you'll put a
below
link-
for more videos.
You'll put a link to Top Shot in the
and
description.
I'll put a link to
So I
Top
think there
Shot.
isn't. I don't think there's like really an affiliate thing, but there is like a referral, or there was. They might have gotten rid of it because it didn't do anything. People didn't believe me. They were like, "You're sending us." I was like, no, it actually doesn't do
Spam.
anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like there is somewhere. There was a way of doing an affiliate. I just don't know how.
Cool. Well, that was exciting. I'm excited to get another pack now because I tried to buy a pack, guys. If you didn't know this already, if you have an unopened pack and you tried to join another drop, you will not be eligible because you have not opened your pack.
That was for one drop, but it might be like that in the future. Well, it can't always be like that in the future because then they would piss all the new people off. So.
Like me, who didn't get into that last one.
Yeah, but you also joined late, remember?
No, but it still allowed me to join the draw.
Yeah, you were 200,000th in line for 10,000 packs.
Never.
Yeah.
Anything can happen. It's your fault. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.